Okay, this young lady who's traveled from quite a distance has a big boy bunion and it's pushing these two toes over. So all we're going to do today is just put a little bit of freezing in this area, correct this bunion, and bring these toes over. There won't be any stitches used. We won't put in any metals. There'll be no casts and crutches, no big plastic moon boot. This patient's going to walk out of here on her own 2 feet in just a few minutes.
Yeah, and then help you out in the garden. Help.
Just some pressure.
I have to say, I tried to watch the videos.
Some people can and some people can't. You gotta have the stomach for it. Most of that bump is gone by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We're moving along quite nicely and because you're behaving and you're doing a great job. Looks fabulous. I'm going to straighten your big toe now.
Days go by, weeks go by.
Now we'll just bring these two toes down. Relax your ankle, let it drop. Those toes are perfectly straight now. So no more big bump here. This is like a pregnant woman's belly after childbirth, and over the next couple weeks it's going to shrink down so you won't see any bulging there, and the big toe is nice and straight. It looks great. I'm not putting any stitches in. I didn't put any metals in, and after having this bunion for I don't know how many years, it's actually gone and it looks great. So as we can see, it's a very small elastic bandage. These toes are nice and straight now, and this patient's going to walk right out of here, and that took about 10 minutes. Bet you're happy to get rid of that guy.